Your job won't save you. Here's what will. You were trained to earn, get a good job, stack income, but no one taught you how to own. So you worked hard, made six figures, and still felt trapped. Because income without structure isn't freedom. It's a prettier cage. The wealthy play a different game. Their money isn't sitting, it's moving, compounding, protected. They don't just bank, they engineer wealth through systems that multiply what they already have. You budget, they leverage, you react, they structure. Same income, different outcome, because they think like owners, and you were taught to think like labor. It's called private banking, a system that gives the wealthy access to strategic credit, tax shields, and asset growth plans you'll never see advertised. But it starts with wealth psychology, the shift from earning to architecting. If you don't change how you think, your income will grow, and your freedom won't. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.